Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany. If you're new here, hello! I finally received my first Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So I got the new Jawbreaker palette. I recently purchased the new Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. So this is my first purchase of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I don't know why I haven't purchased ones before. I've loved everything that's come out. I've loved the look of everything that's come out, but this one, this Jawbreaker, I loved the look of it. And I was, that is definitely the one that I'm gonna buy. Okay, so this Jawbreaker palette was £54. I purchased them from Beautybay. So today we are just going to play. I'm going to get my very first impressions of the Jawbreaker palette. Okay, so I'm just going to prep my face slightly. Just going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter for Youth Glow. And I just pop that on to the areas that I would generally highlight. This stuff is frigging gorgeous. It hasn't got coverage as such. It has got a slight tint of colour. It's not, I don't know, it's just frigging amazing. It's beautiful. I've spoken about several times because I use it every single day. You can use it alone. Look at that. It's just beautiful. You can use it alone. You can use it underneath your foundation. You can use it as a highlighter over the top of your foundation. You can bathe yourself in it. It's beautiful. And then I'm just going to go in with my Cover FX translucent setting powder, this big old fluffy brush, and just set literally down the side of my mouth, down the side of my nose, under my eye, just in my forehead there. Not a lot, just a tad, just a smidge, just stamping that in. So let's marvel at what we have all come to marvel at. The Jawbreaker palette. So the Jawbreaker palette has more shades in it than his previous palettes. This, I believe, has 24, yes, 24 eyeshadows and pressed pigments. You can also get mini palettes, which are £25 each. So you have the outer package, which looks like this, like the splattering on the Jawbreakers. They spend more time outside of your mouth. They used to spend more time outside of my mouth, and then just have to lick them. So anyway, inside is this beautiful pink, again with the splattered speckled effect of a Jawbreaker, with the Jeffree Star logo. And are we ready? I haven't looked at this yet. I've seen it online. Are you ready? No. Oh my god. That is why I wanted it. How beautiful is that? I'm sorry, Mr. Jeffree Star. Where is my plastic covering? Are we not entitled to a plastic protective covering for our palette? Oh my god. And the mirror does not come with a plastic covering either. Well, that's rude. Let me try and wipe my mirror because it has like residue stuck on it. Okay, so this is the palette, the whole 24. Beautiful. These colours, I mean, flipping heck, you cannot deny that that is absolutely bloody gorgeous. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C1. Pop some of that in on my eyeball. And just use a sponge just to pat that out around my eye and bring that slightly under. So we're just playing, just having fun. There's a yellow, because that yellow and that orange. But why is there a shade called Fuck? Seriously, come on. I thought, being a Jawbreaker palette, it would have names of sweets and things. So, and then he has to obviously throw some different names in. So let's have a quick look. We've got Virgin, which is a white or like a bone colour. Good Morning, Bubblegum, Wow, Sock, Licorice, Cute, Fuck, Gumdrop, Snack, Brain Freeze, Jawbreaker, and What? Orange Juice, Sour, Soaked, Raspberry, Cotton Candy, Lemon Drop, Bite Me, Cherry Wet, Tasty, Cone, and Delicious. The first shade I'm going to go into, I'm just going to go in with Bubblegum. All of the shades have the signature Jeffree Star stamp. He didn't do anything new. Usually in his palettes he has like one or two. I would have thought he would have like a gumball or something. A gumball? A Jawbreaker. Okay, so I'm just going to take that bubblegum flavour and stamp that just above the crease. I'm even dipping into the palette above the Jeffree Star logo because I don't want to ruin it. Wow, that is bright. I'm going to have to turn the light on. The sunlight is slowly flipping heck. The sunlight is slowly dying on us. Right, shall I zoom you in slightly? Do you want to be closer to me? Do you want to be closer? There you go. You can be closer. I'm just stamping that onto that wet concealer and then fluffing it in to the inner corner. I'm going to go in with a Fuck. So that's this colour here, and let's see what it's about. And I'm going to stamp that on this outer corner here. Tell you what dragged me. What first loved about the look of this palette was the pastilla, is that a word? Pastel shades with that mixture of those real bright colours. That's nice. But they've just melted together. Absolutely beautiful. I think I'm going to bring that Fuck into this inner part as well, leaving that little centre at the moment blank. And then I'm going to pop with a smaller brush into Cherry Wet, little pencil brush, and I'm just going to deepen, oh look at those colours, I'm just going to deepen that outer and inner there. Oh yes, see, it's just deepened that up just a smidge. And then I think I'm going to go in, oh, do I go in with Cotton Candy or Snack? So we've got Cotton Candy or Snack. Cotton Candy, Snack. Cotton Candy, Snack. Right, here goes Cotton Candy. Oh my god. Oh, I felt a little bit fall off my face then. And then Snack. Just in that middle bit there. Oh look. Oh my. I'm going to go in with that Cherry Wet again and just deepen just this outer and inner. Oh, they just blend in together beautifully. Okay, and I'm going to go in with Good Morning, and we're just going to blend out this here. So you want to just be on, just on the edge, just little fluffy flicks, just halfway over that colour and halfway over the bare skin, and just backwards and forwards, just little circular motions, little feathery flicks, whichever you're comfortable with. If you were to go or all the way around, you would end up blending it up. If you want to blend it up, then do bigger circular motions like that, and you will slowly blend it out, but you'll end up blending it up like that. I'm gonna have to do this side like that, won't I? And then you just, oh my god, look at those colours. Evaluate the situation. If you've lost any of that depth, touching up slightly. So for the bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with Licorice and just pop that tight along my bottom lash line. All the way along, close to my lash line. Right, I'm going to dip into that Licorice again with a bigger, fluffier brush and smoke that out more. Then I'm going to dip into Raspberry. Oh, then I'm going to dip into Raspberry. That makes it a lot more richer. Then I'm going to go in with Bubblegum and come on the hair. Oh, I love blowing everything right out. And then tickle it round. Go in with Cotton Candy. Put that in the middle there. Then Suck just in the middle of that. Then I'm going to go into Suck again. Pop that in that inner corner. Got a little bit carried away. Could never have guessed that. Okay, I'm going to pop off. I'm going to pop some eyeliner on, some mascara, possibly some lashes, and I will be right back. These are the Unicorn unicorn lashes in Majestic AF, and they are fucking majestic. I've got to say, I'm obviously going to go with a pinky blush, as we've gone for a completely pink eye look. I'm going to dive back into the Jeffree Star, and I'm going to get a highlighter brush, and I'm just going to dunk my brush, just tap it in a couple of times into sock, and I'm using that as my highlighter. Oh yes. Oh. I'm just going to highlight every single area that could possibly be highlighted. Oh man. Right, stop it. I could not be happier with this palette, I really couldn't. This is a MAC lipstick in Girl About Town. It's my right, I kind of have to take this off, won't I? Because yellow is not fitting in. I did not mean for this to turn into a monochromatic look at all, but it has, and I love it. So this is the final look. The Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette is beautiful. The colours that I've chosen today, so how many did I use in the end? 8 colours, and they were all beautiful. I'm definitely going to do some more looks with this palette. I'm going to use some of the more pastels, the blue, the lilac, the green, all of those. I'm going to use them next time. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you have this palette and you have done a look with it and what you thought of it. And I will see you all next time. Bye! As I said, I will swatch them all and insert them. That sounds great.